checking out this video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate chia pudding using, of course, chia seeds, which are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. We are going to sweeten our pudding today with all natural dates. Dates are awesome. They are packed with potassium, they are full of fiber. So this pudding is going to be a dessert, but also an energizing food that you can use pre or post workout. Okay, so to make this, you need a high-speed blender, like a Vitamix, Nutribullet, anything like that. And we're gonna just put all the ingredients in it and just blend it until it's smooth. Couldn't be any easier. 4 ingredients. Let's get started. Okay, now that we have all the ingredients inside of our blender, we're gonna get blending. Now, don't be alarmed if the blender is very loud. The dates are gonna fly around in there and make a lot of noise until they start to blend. If you don't have a very high-speed blender, you can always put some dates with some water in the microwave for 30 seconds and that'll kind of soften them. Just drain the water out and throw them in. It's a lot easier for your blender to blend, but if you do have a high-power blender like a Vitamix, it'll be loud for a little bit and then it'll start blending and it'll be completely smooth. So we're gonna blend this for about 1 to 2 minutes until completely smooth. All right, let's go. Okay, it's done. Okay, now we're gonna portion out the pudding into 2 different containers. If you think this is for 4 people, you can do 4 containers, but I think it's perfect for 2. Very good. And you can use a spatula to help you scrape down the sides. Okay, here are our 2 pudding cups. Now we need to refrigerate these for 2 hours and then you can have them. Okay, so our pudding has been sitting in the fridge for about 2 hours now, and I wanted to top it with a few nuts or even some peanut butter. I also like to do some fresh raspberries or strawberries as well. Chocolate chips are really good, but this is what I had in the house. So we're just gonna put a few walnuts on there. And maybe drizzle it with a little bit of peanut butter. I'm also going to just sprinkle a little bit of chia seeds on top just for decoration. Okay, there's our 2 delicious chia chocolate puddings. Okay, now there's only one thing left to do. We have to try our chocolate pudding cups. Look at that. Now that's some good chocolate pudding.